We're brides to be. We're gonna do it.
Living around potential targets such as military bases and chemical plants may be advised to evacuate.
Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Faith Woodyard. I have my own business, Performance Edge FW, where I coach female athletes on their physical fitness, their nutrition, and their dancing. I live in the sunny state of Florida, and it is an absolutely beautiful day. So we are heading out to the beach. I'm actually going with a new girlfriend of mine. So we're gonna go to the beach for a couple hours. So we gotta pack. Use this bag today for they're gonna bring goggles, sunscreen. Right now I'm using this Sun Bum mineral-based sunscreen. Make sure when you're searching for sunscreens for this summer that you're searching for a mineral-based sunscreen, not the stuff with a bunch of chemicals. Beach towel. And I'm also gonna bring a shirt if I decide to go anywhere afterwards. Wallet, chapstick. I love to bring a claw clip with me. It also acts as a brush after you get out of the water, just quickly brushing out your hair. I don't really have too much hair at the moment, but when I had long hair, it would just get so tangled after getting out of the water. So quickly brush it while it's still wet. All right. And we'll pack some water, some electrolytes. I'm gonna eat lunch really quick, and then let's head to the beach.
Living around potential targets such as military bases and chemical plants may be advised to evacuate.
Good morning, athletes. It is about 7:30 and I'm hopping on my first client call for today. You're gonna do an overhead good morning. So hinge your hips back, trying to keep those arms right by your ears, and heavy band. You're gonna step in, we can watch. We're gonna do a kick back. So keep the All right, what is up, athletes? So I just have a little break right now in my morning in between my client sessions, and I'm doing some fun work on a new and exciting program. I have a lot of clients who are brides to be, as am I. So this is a perfect time to really dial in on your fitness, dial in on your nutrition, so that way you feel your most confident self come that big day. So right now I am working on building out a new workout program for Performance Edge called the Wife Workout Program. More details will be coming soon, and I'm excited to really push myself and also get to push and encourage my athletes. Good morning, everyone. It is Friday. I just woke up not too long ago. Apologies if you can't hear me too well. You may hear all the birds in the back. Everyone's waking up this Friday morning. Today, we have a couple of client sessions this morning, and then I plan to get into my workout. We have some errands to run. We have to go grocery shopping. I have an appointment in the afternoon, so just kind of running around, doing stuff around the house. Nothing too crazy. It's honestly kind of a light Friday, which is neat. This is so painful. All right, we just smashed glutes and core. Now we have to get our walk in outside. One of my favorite things right now on my daily walks is listening to some audiobooks. This really helps me just like keep my mind going. I generally gravitate towards spiritual or self-development books. Yeah, it was a great workout. If you're interested in any of my workout programs or one-on-one coaching, I'll have my website and my Instagram linked in the description below. Feel free to go check out all my programs that I have offered, or even if you're wanting a custom program, I'd be more than happy to chat, so send me a message. All right, enough chatting, let's go get into this walk. I know it's gonna be a hot one. Well, that was a short one outside. It's starting to rain. Gym keys, and just go on the treadmill and do maybe like 30-minute inclined. All right, I just went ahead and showered, did a nice everything shower, which is always wonderful. Just snacking on some pineapple here. And then I'm about to head to Publix to go shop for the week.